Hello team. This video is meant to be a tutorial on how to navigate to and to work on a Flipgrid video. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is how to get to the Flipgrid website. There are a few options for this. As I've mentioned in previous videos, you have three main ways to get to any URL or website. You can type the URL directly in to this search bar here. You can, if you know the name of it, so say you don't know the URL of Flipgrid, but you do know that it's called Flipgrid. Then just simply type Flipgrid into this Google search and click on the page that says Flipgrid. All right. Today, we're going to navigate it using a bookmark. If you've already bookmarked Flipgrid, all you need to do is simply click on this and it brings you to this page. All right. Anytime you are working with Flipgrid, your teacher will either have given you a link directly to the assignment or have given you a join code that you go through this process of doing. I'm walking through this process just to show you how it completely happens. So for our class, you're going to hit the join code and you're going to copy it here. Our join code is this large number here. Once you're done with that, click to the right arrow, and this is going to take you to the actual grid of your videos. To go down, we're doing an introduction video. So the prompt is, please answer the initial introduction questions from the student-facing document, which you are all familiar with, in a quick video introduction. Please embody our core value of courage and help us all get to know each other better. So to record a response, you quickly hit this here to record a response, and a video is going to pop up as so. All right. If this does pop up, you are going to want to allow Flipgrid to use your microphone and your camera. Once that does, it will pop up as such, and it'll be like this. To record, you're going to hit this red button, and that's all there is to it. All right? Hopefully this was helpful for you all, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to link me offline or just message me directly in Google Classroom or Teams. Thank you all so much, and hopefully this was helpful.